Friend, mas mukhang matanda nga daw ang Gen Z kaysa sa millennials?
I'm a 40-year-old board-certified dermatologist, and is Gen Z aging faster than us, millennials?
So recently I came across this particular article that says that Gen Zs are now aging much quicker than millennials.
Okay, everyone is talking about how Gen Z is aging faster than millennials.
Mas mabilis nga daw makita ang pag-aging ng Gen Z compared sa mga millennials. May dugong vampira nga ba ang mga millennials? May katotohanan nga ba ito? If totoo man, ano ang mga rason nito? At ano ang psychological and scientific explanation sa usaping ito? Agree ka ba na mas young-looking ang millennials kaysa sa mga Gen Z? Teka, wag mo muna akong awayin kung Gen Z ka. Pipilitin kong hindi maging bias kahit millennials ako. I guarantee you, by the end of this video, it will all make sense. Alright, let's break this down. Una sa lahat, iba talaga ang era ng mga millennials. Sila kasi ang huling generation na lumaki sa hindi pa gaanong ka-immersed sa digital world. Kung matatandaan nyo, 90s kids, di ba? Outdoor games, bike rides, at barkadahan lang ang kalaban sa oras. Hindi social media or online games. Yung panahon na pagalingan magpabilog pa ng kulangot. Ha? Di mo na-experience yun? Di ka in. Anyways, Gen Z on the other hand grew up with smartphones in hand. Talagang technology-driven ang buhay nila. Sa isang banda, ang millennials nag-adjust lang sa digital age. Kaya mas nasanay sila sa balancing buhay. Meron silang offline and online worlds. At alam nyo ba, studies suggest na mas kaunting screen time can actually lead to better sleep, less stress, and healthier skin? Sino ba ang mas maraming screen time ngayon? Obviously, Gen Z. Naging factor din ang mas pagiging consistent ng millennials pagdating sa skincare and better lifestyle, at mas iniiwasan din nila ang mga stress. Pero hindi lang ito tungkol sa skincare at stress ha. There's also something called aging perception. As we grow older, nag-iiba rin ang perception natin na kung sino ang mas bata or mas matanda. To Gen Z, millennials can look young kasi they don't realize na tumatanda rin sila. Sa millennials naman, they can look at Gen Z and feel that they're aging faster dahil naiiba na ang standards. So, ibig sabihin, feeling young lang talaga tong mga millennials. Feeling masyado. But here's something fascinating na hindi lahat ay nakakaalam. Ang telomeres. You see, telomeres are protective caps at the end of our DNA strands. Parang mga plastic tips sa dulo ng shoelaces. Every time our cells divide, these telomeres shorten, and as they get shorter, the more we age. Ibig sabihin, ang length ng telomeres can directly affect how fast or slow we age physically. Pero teka, cut ko lang saglit ha. Itong content na to is brought to you by Angel's Beauty Lounge. Kung gusto mong magpaganda at magpapogi, contact mo lang sila sa kanilang page. Ang dami nilang magagandang services tulad ng pagpapakilay, facials, pagpapasexy, pagpapaputi, at madami pa. Meron din silang available na Japan beauty products. So friend, don't forget to check them out. Let's continue! Now, bakit importante itong telomeres? Well, study shows na stress can accelerate the shortening of telomeres. Ibig sabihin, the more stressed we are, the faster our telomeres shorten. Which means, we age quicker, both inside and outside. Kung titingnan natin, mas prone ang Gen Z sa stress dahil sa social media pressures, academic demands, at societal expectations. Millennials, on the other hand, grew up in less digital environment, so less screen time, less stress for online comparisons, and as a result, mas mabagal ang wear and tear ng telomeres nila in their formative years. Kaya maaring ito rin ang reason kung bakit mas youthful looking ang millennials kahit pa sila'y mas matanda. One another interesting factor is that millennials now in their 30s are more conscious about their health and wellness dahil nga sa self-care trend. They are more proactive in managing stress, sleeping better, and maintaining balanced diets. While some Gen Zs are still figuring this out. Yung ibang millennials naka-jumpstart na sa habits na to, which might explain their more youthful appearance. In short, yung mga millennials may mga dalang white flower at Vicks yan lagi sa bag. Konti na lang topic na rin ng mga yan, maintenance na. Hello mga ka-maintenance! Lastly, let's not forget fashion and lifestyle choices. Gen Z is known for their bold fashion statements, experimental looks, and heavy makeup trends, which can sometimes make them look more mature.
Tingnan nyo naman tol, mula baba hanggang taas. Shoeless. Napaka-quality niyan tol. Kitang-ina nyo nga no.
Meanwhile, millennials who've gone through that phase have settled into simpler, more laid-back styles, which naturally gives off a fresher vibe. So, anong bottom line natin dito? While it's fun to compare, the truth is maraming factors ang naglalaro. Lifestyle, stress, self-care habits, telomeres, fashion, and even genetics. Ang pag-age ng isang tao ay hindi lamang nakasalalay sa birth year. Masasabi natin na ang pag-prioritize ng wellness and self-care is the key, regardless of what generation you belong to. Well, ang pinakamahalaga, we shouldn't let stress control our lives. Science has shown na the healthier, the happier you live, the longer you can preserve your telomeres and your youthful glow. Millennials might have the upper hand ngayon, but Gen Z, don't worry. The power is in your hands to make lifestyle choices that can help you age gracefully. So sa mga millennials, keep doing you. And sa mga Gen Z naman, don't stress too much. Focus on your well-being, and time will be on your side. Remember, it's not about looking young, but feeling young at heart. Ikaw, friend, anong masasabi mo? Do you agree na mas mukhang bata ang millennials, or are you on Team Gen Z? Share your thoughts below. Well, this is a friendly reminder, your friend that reminds. Peace!